Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so we have a couple more confirmed spoilers for the BoxyLuxe September box. So of course everybody probably already got this email, but if you didn't, that's why I'm uploading this. So the box is going to be worth over $300. And I believe there will be 8 products in it total. So first, you already know about the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum. Now you will either get that or the Sunday Riley Tidal Moisturizer full size in the 50 milliliter bottle. And then next is the Sponge Gel. Now this is a mani-pedi treatment and clean skin water bottle infuser. You will get this or the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Now guys, as soon as they come out with any more confirmed spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And you know, if you haven't already got your email, if you are getting BoxyLuxe, then you will soon be getting the email where you get to customize one of your items. So you will be able to pick one of the items, and I'm not sure exactly which items it's going to be, but as soon as they send the email out. So guys, as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.